Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today, we want to show you from the beginning to the end. Though it might be in part, but the part 1 of this video, we want to show you how to use this particular software called Stonebridge detailing template to detail your work. The moment you finished, you have exported to AutoCAD. You know, when you have exported to this Prota detail, definitely you have to bring it to AutoCAD, take it to what? To your AutoCAD. Is that okay? So you can see it here. So we are going to use this to now explain to you how to use a Stonebridge detailing template to now detail your work from beginning to the end. Is that okay? So looking at this structure, that has been properly designed, analyzed, and also the interaction have been done. So it has been exported to what? To Prota detail. And from this Prota detail now, we have taken it to AutoCAD. Is that okay? To AutoCAD. Now we want to now use this particular software called Stonebridge detailing template to now detail this particular drawing. Is that okay? That we have exported to AutoCAD. So is that clear? So follow me as we start this process. Is that okay? As I said, it's going to be in part. So therefore, let's start. Now, once the moment you get to this place, is that okay? It's step by step. So first of all, let me go to Stonebridge detailing template. Is that okay? So the moment you have clicked on this, we are here. Now, if you look at this structure is what? It's on pad. Is that okay? This structure is what? It's on pad footing. So therefore, I am going to come to this Stonebridge detailing template. You can see we have pad. So as me, I'm using white strip. I will have clicked on it. Whatever type of foundation I use for my structure, I have it here. So that's what I'm going to click to now use the sample to do what? To detail my drawing. So the moment you get to this place, all you need to do, click on it because my structure is on what? On pad. So I'll click on pad. And the moment I click on pad, I have this. Is that okay? I have this. As you can see it here, I have this. So this example that has been given to us. This is the example that have been given to us. So the moment you get to this place, now I want to follow this step. You can see even the arrangement. You can see everything here. You can see the arrangement. You can see that it's after this, after your right up here, then we have what? General instruction, general construction notes, and after that we have this, which is our foundation layout. And after foundation layout, we come to what? To columns arrangement. So we come to what? To your foundation, what do you call it, RCC pad base type. So that is that, and from there you enter your column etc. So we are going to follow all this process to detail this particular project. Is that okay? Which is already here in AutoCAD. So can you see it now? So that is that. So therefore, let's get started. So now once I get to, I've clicked on it and I have come to this place. Now I will now pick this sample. First of all, because I want to use this one, I will also pick this one. I want to start my work now, so I pick this. Is that okay? Then CP, which is a what? Which is a copy. I'll enter. Is that okay? I'll take this because I want to start my own too. So I'll pick this and put it somewhere here. Is that okay? Inside here. Okay, that is one. So also not to forget, I also put this. Understand? I also put this where you write your note. Is that okay? That structural drawing for so and so. So CP, enter. I'll pick this one. I also put it here because I want to start my own. Is that okay? So that is that. So now, whatever kind of what do you call it, bearing capacity of soil that I use, is that okay? I will look for where it's written here and also do what? Also use it to write. Is that okay? So as you can see this one here, you can see the soil bearing capacity that was used was what? So you see the allowable soil bearing capacity is what? This is what was used. But for me, what I used there was 110. Because of the location, or no, it was 150 I used. It was 150. Is it 150? No. So yes, 130. I remember 130. So it's 130 that I use. You see now I've edited it 130. So I click. So can you see it now? So any change that whatever thing I've done there, so I also come to this place and edit it. So that is that. So that's -1. Now the next thing is to do what? Is to have a copy of this. Because the next thing after this one is this. So I'll copy this. I will copy this particular one. I will copy this like this. Okay, CP. Then enter, copy it because I want to use it to do what? To detail my work. So let me just pick it somewhere here, above here. Let me see here first. So then I'll put a L, enter to cross it, form of line, to help me know that yes, I'm not going to use this. Is that okay? So this number I'm just going to use for a sample. So I'll now go to AutoCAD, my AutoCAD. I'm not going to copy all. Is that okay? I'm not going to copy all. Now there's something that you need to know. That from here you need to do a little work. Is that okay? So looking at this is my what? My arrangement GA in AutoCAD, because you can see story 1. When I was doing my GA, this was my GA, isn't it? So I'll just copy this as it is, copy this, then CP, enter. I'll come to this place, just paste it here, then click on this, now select this one, select this. Is that okay? I don't need all these ones. Select all these ones, these ones, and also these ones. I don't need these ones. I don't need these ones. Also, I don't need these ones. Okay, what other thing again? Okay, let me use this one. Let me just select randomly. Okay, this one I don't need to say. Right click and then click on select similar. Let me confirm. Okay, then I'll come to this place. Then I will unselect this by pressing my shift key. Is that okay? Then deselect this one and confirm it properly. Okay, they are all deselected. Okay, then I will now click on what? E, which is raise, enter. So you can see what I have. I'm left with this, so I'll remove this. I'm going to remove this one and also this one. Then click, then select similar. Okay, I'm going to take my time to explain this. So also come to this place, press shift key. Yes, shift key. Move your cursor over these ones and just select all so that none of them will be deleted. Is that okay? So I do that. Okay, then I'll come to this place and press E. Sorry, I press my E, enter. So you can see it's clean and clear. Is that okay? So as it is now, I'll now copy this. Is that okay? Move this one, right click and come to clipboard. From clipboard I come to what? Copy. So I've copied it. So I now come to my Stonebridge, which is this one here. Right click first of all inside this place. Is that okay? Inside this place. So I will now click, then inside this place come to clipboard again and click on paste and wait for it. So it has come. So can you see it now? Automatically it has come. So do you see it now? Good. So now as it is now, so the next thing I'm going to do, I haven't done this at this point. So what's the next thing? Let's look at it. Is that okay? Okay, we have this one. So I'm going to put this one. I'll go back to AutoCAD. Let me go to my AutoCAD. Yes, I don't need this one. Sorry, I don't need this one. So I'll come to this place now. Is that okay? I'll come to this place, select this, CP, enter. Let me put it here. Okay. Or if I like, I can also do it from here. Is that okay? And I'll take it to that place then for further arrangement. So looking at this one will help me a lot. So I'll click on this. I don't need this one. Then right click and then also select similar. Let me confirm. Okay. All right. So I'll come to this place. So two ways. Okay. I can see. Sorry. Let's go down. Okay. You can see this one. So we have to take our time to explain this. Sorry. Undo. Okay, select, then come to this place. I don't need those ones. This is what all I need. Delete. Then I'll select this one now. I will now select this one, sorry, this one here, and this one is the same thing. I don't need this one. What I have here, I have the same thing. So I'll just select this one, right click, select similar. Okay, select similar. I'll come here. Okay, I'm just playing with it so that for you to understand. So I'll now select that, then click on what? On let me say CP. I'll now bring this one from this column, center of this column here, center of this. I'll move this one to this place now. Use it now. Okay, you can see what I'm having now. Use it now automatically. So I can now delete this one, then now move this one now as it is here. There's a reason for it. Don't delete this one because there's a reason for that. So I'll now do what? Let me reselect this. Is that okay? Let me reselect this. Then right click, then clipboard, then come to what? Copy. Then I'll go to my Stonebridge, then come to this place. Let me remove this one. I don't need this one again. I've changed my mind. So click on this one, right click, clipboard, then come to paste and then put it here automatically. Can you see now? If you look at it, you can see Stonebridge automatically have changed the color for us. You can see this the color of this and the thickness, and you can see use it now. We already have the same thing. Use it now. And if you look at this this line here, you can see automatically Stonebridge have also changed it for us to use it now. Can you see? So that is that. Now, haven't done that, but don't forget that during my GA, this one was not there. Is that okay? This part is not part of it. This one is not part of it. It was during my soft part of the foundation. Is that okay? This is not part of the foundation. So what I'll do, I'll remove this one because this one is beam. Is that okay? This one is just a beam. Sorry, just a beam. So okay, it's not part of my foundation, so I select this one to this place, join them together, and also come to this place. It's the same thing. It's not part of the foundation, not part of the foundation, and that's fine. Okay, so I have this one now. So do it now. So the next thing I will now do, I need to do what? My trench. What is going to be my trench? Is that okay? My trench. That's what's going to be my trench. This and this one is okay. That's my trench. Now, since it's 225, understand? Since it's 225. So if you look at 225 multiply by let me see, my 225. No, it's going to be 3. Is that okay? 225. Then multiply by 3 is what? 675. Is that okay? 675. So which means that automatically I'll just come to this place. I don't need to even do that much. Come to offset. The offset we have 225. Is that okay? Enter. I'll take this from here to this place, from here to this place. Do you see it now? Can you see it now? So automatically, if I measure from here, from this place to this place, it gives me my trench. That's my dimension. Let me pick from this point to this point. This is now 675. So that is that. So once I've done that, let me press this one again. Let me take this, enter. I'm going to take this time to explain. See what I'm doing? Okay, and this one to this place, this one to this place, also this one to this place, this one to this place. Take this one to this place. Take this one to this place. Sorry, yes. Take the one to this place, and also follow here. This like this like this, and also this one to this place, this one to this place. Okay, what else again? Okay, I have this one to this place, this one to this place. Also, what else again? Okay, this one to this place, this one to this place. Okay, then I also come to this place, also come to this place, to this place. Okay, what else again? Okay, I have this one to this place, this one to this place, and also in between I have this one to this place, this one to this place. Okay, what else again? Okay, I have this one to this place, this one to this place. What else again? From here I have this to this, and then this one to this, and this one to this. Okay, coming to this place again, I have this one to this one to this. Is that okay? So now let's start. Looking at this one now, I have to now select similar, come to this place. Maybe this one is too far. Let me bring this one here. Let's move, enter, come to this place, come closer. Okay, since I'm working on this. Is that okay? So I'll now click on this one. Is that okay? Click on match property. Is that okay? I'll now come to this place, then select this, select this, select this, select this. Okay, select this, select this, select this, select this, select this. Okay, you can see that we are getting what we are having as our sample. As you can see, this one and then this one. Also come here, this one and this one and this one. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, the pattern, you have to understand the pattern. Okay, it's for this one and also for this one. Come here, this one, this one. We are almost done with this. Then come to this one and click, and also come to this one, zoom it. Okay, and also come to this place and click. What else again? Okay, I have this, I have this, I have this. Which one again? Okay, I have this and I have this. Is there another one again? Okay, no, it's okay. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, see, this place is my beam. Is that okay? You remember it's not part of the foundation, so I'll remove this one, I'll remove this one. Is that okay? I remove this one and also this one. Okay, come here, delete this, delete this. Is that okay? So once I've gotten to this level, all I'm gonna do is select, click on this, right click and click on what? Select similar. Is that okay? I have selected similar, so I'll click on this. Let me remove this one and also go down and remove this one. Is that okay? So I'll now come to this place, zoom it. Now I begin to trim, TR, which is what? Trim, enter, then click on this. Is that okay? I'll just click on this one. Okay, so you can see what I'm having. Click on this. Okay, and also come to this place, zoom this one. Okay, so click this one, deselect. You can see very fast. Is that okay? Very, very fast. Okay, remove this one again, click here, remove this. You can see what we are having already. Delete this one. Okay, zoom this one, delete this, and also this one. Okay, come here again, this one. Okay, click on this one and then remove this one. Okay, click on this, click on let me this as once and for all. So this one. Okay, then come to this place, delete this one, then remove this one. Okay, and come to this place again, this place I'm deleting. Okay, you can see how fast, and you can see how we are getting the result. Is that okay? I come to this place also, come to this place, click on this. You can see I'm trimming off. Okay, I've not done this one. Okay, that will be done. Is that okay? So let's stick like this one also. Come here. Okay, and also this one. Okay, and also this one, and then this one, and finally I think this one. Or let me go down. Okay, this, but let me quickly adjust this one. Let me copy this one, let me match the properties of this. Come here, then click on this and also this. Is that okay? Then TR, since it's only one, TR, enter. I can now click on this, so you can see this, then this one and this one. Is that okay? So that is that. I think you can see what we are now having. But now this place, you cannot use the same method. So this one you have to trim them one after the other. TR, then enter. So you can see I'll now trim this one like this. Okay, and also this one is my trench like this. Okay, and this one come like this and like this. Okay, this one have this one and this one. Okay, which one again? Where do we have other ones? Okay, I have this one, this, and then also this. Okay, let's see. That's what we're having again. Is there another one? So you can now see what we are having. So you can see now just within some minutes you can see I'm done with this. Is that okay? I'm done with this. So then what was this one? Okay, let me delete this. Okay, so you can ask what I'm having now. So do you see it now that what I'm having is the same thing with this? So if I should bring this one closer, let me, okay, enter, move it. If I should bring it very, very close, so you can see what we are having. Can you see it now? Can you see what we are having? Is that okay? You can see what we are having is the same thing, the same color, and everything is okay. So now the excess, let me now undo. Let me take it back. Okay, now let me confirm. Okay, for me everything's okay, except we are seeing something that I'm not seeing here yet. So that is that. Okay, everything is fine. Good. Now, once you have reached this level, you are at this point, there's another thing you need to do. Is that okay? You can see we have a base. You can see there is a purpose for this. Why I did not delete it? Because it will help me to what? To name my base part. Is that okay? Base type. Is that a column base type? Is that okay? Because this is my column base type for this column. This is another column base for this column base for this. Is that okay? So, but the dimensions I have to leave it so that I can delete them once and for all. This one will now guide me. If you look at the column base of this, base type of this is 1000 by 1000. Is that okay? Then this one also what? 1003 by 1003, and this one is 1001 by 1001, and this one is what? 1002 by 1002. So that is that. But what I'm going to do now, let's see. Is that okay? I'm going to pick this sample first. Base type. This one is the foundation T1. This one is T2. Okay, I'm going to take a CP, enter. That's copy. I'll come here, come to my own. Inside this place, so this F2, that's a foundation type. Is that okay? Foundation type. Is that okay? So you can make it foundation type, or you can make it what? B type. That's a base type. Is that okay? You can make it what? Base type, then B. Is that okay? Then I'm going to make it what? Sorry. Okay, let me make it one first because I'm starting with 1. Is that okay? So this is it. You can leave it as F, as what? F. What is foundation what type, or you can make it what? Base type. Depends on your choice. Is that okay? So now that is that. So let me now make it what? F type. Let me just undo it. Now undo. Okay, undo F2 there. But this time around I'm going to make it what? 1. Is that okay? 1. That's a 1. I press 1. Okay. Click outside. Good. Now I have put this one here. My column what? My column base type 1. And what's dimension? 1001. But if you now look at it, there's something I want to explain here. It's your choice. Now, to avoid too much of a different base, now you can see 1001 and 1000 and 1001. They are very, very close, isn't it? So you can decide to do what? To use what? To make use of it. Make use of this one as what? 1001. Is that okay? As 1001. So for me, you can have a paper where you're going to write it. Is that okay? That this one, I will select CP as my what? Anywhere I see 1000 or 1001, I make it as my what? Base type 1. Is that okay? So it's your choice. As I said, it's your choice. If you like, you can make it as it is. Is that okay? But for me, I will just going to go ahead and use this one. Is that okay? I'll just say, okay, this one. Okay, this is 1002. Okay, which one is this one? This 1001. Okay, 1001. I'll put it here. Okay, another 1001. Where do you have 1001? This 1002. Okay, 1001. Okay, I have this one here. Okay, this one. Okay. All right, so that is that. So now 1001 is what? Is for F1. Is that okay? So now let me go ahead and click on this. Is that okay? CP, enter. Then I'll go to the next one is 1002. Anyway, it's 1002. I make it what? F2. So all of this is your choice. Anyhow you want to do it, that is that. So now this is what? That's CP. Copy. Then I'll copy from here. 1002. Where's 1000? Where's 1003? Where's 1002? Okay, see 1002 here. Okay, I'll put it here. You have to write it. Is that okay? 1002. 1002. Okay, watch that one again. I think that is all. That is all. 1002. Is that okay? The next one is what? 1003. So 1000. Okay, I have this one. Okay, 1003. After 1002, so it will be what? Double click. Then put a what? 3. That's 1003. Is that okay? F3. 1003. So that's a CP. Enter. So go ahead. Where do we have a 1003? Where do we have 1003? 1003. Okay, this 1003. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, which other places again do you have 1003? Okay, I have it here, 1003. I put it here again. So do you see what we are doing? The next one is after 1003 is 1003. Okay, none again, it's 1004. So I'll also put this one here. Is that okay? Now change the number to 4. Is that okay? 1004. Then CP, enter. Where do I have 1004? Any 1004 again? None. That's all. So I'll also come to this place. This 1006. Double click and then change this one to what? 5. That is that. So now, so you can now see that we only have 5. Is that okay? 5. So since it's 5 now, is that okay? I'm dealing with this. Is that okay? On this video, I'm dealing with this first. So now, since I have this one like this, is that okay? Don't forget, you can see what we are having, 1000 this and this. So that is that, which I've already written. So later I can now delete this one as once and for all. You see, it's very easy to delete. You can see now, once and for all I'll delete, but I'll not delete it for now. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, now I'm going to do the two together at once. Is that okay? I'm going to do the two together at once and bring them out. So looking at this, F1 is what? I'm saying I'm going to use what? 1001. Is that okay? 1001. And you can see the sample we have here. The sample that we are having here. Is that okay? The sample we are having here. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to my AutoCAD, where I have this. Then where do I have it? Is that okay? I have this. Okay, I can just copy this one so that I can now delete the rest. So instead of coming to this place, CP, sorry, copy this, right click, come to this, copy, then go to my this and come here. I have a reason for this, so that before you know it, I'll be done with this work. I'll now just put it here. So that one, this one was what? We have a 1001, so I'll look for 1001 here. 1001, which is where is 1001? Look for 1001. See 1001 here by 1001. So I'll just remove this. I'll just remove this. Enter. Use it now. I'll just put it somewhere here. Is that okay? And name it my what? Let's quickly carry it. That's my CP. Enter. That's my F1. Is that okay? Then the next one is a 1002. 1002. Look for 1002. 1002 here. Sample. I click on this one. Then CP. So you can see how I'm quickly trying to do two things at the same time. Move this one and also put it somewhere here and quickly carry my what? This one CP. Enter. 1002. I come and put it where? I put it here. Then what's the next thing? 1003. Am I correct? 1003, which is F3. Look for 1003 here. You see 1003. You see, I'm doing at this point, I'm doing two things at the same time very fast. So I'll come to this place and put it as what? My 1003. So CP. Enter. Copy it. Quickly go back and put it here. Okay, the next one is a 1004, I guess. 1004. So look for 1004. 1004. Okay, you can see it here. 1004. 1004. Then enter. I move it to this place. Okay, then the next one is what? 1006. 1006. I look for 1006. Where can I find 1006? 1006. Where's my 1006? Okay, so my 1006 here. Click on this. Then enter. Okay, I'll now put my 1006 here, and which is what? Which is my M5. Sorry, F5. CP. Enter. So use it now. Okay, I'll put as what? This one. Okay, I now put for this one F4. F4. This one is F4. F4. Okay, so I haven't done this one now. I'll just go ahead and remove this. I don't need this one again. Is that okay? So automatically, you can see this one. I have them. I have them. I have them. So all I'll now do to this one now, click on this, right click and do what? Select similar. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. Okay, but it's not interrupting anything. Okay. Okay, nothing. So I can now come to this place. Is that okay? And click on what? Press E, then erase. So you can see clean and clear. Is that okay? Very good. So once we have done this one like this, let me do this one. Okay, let me keep it there. So now once we have done this one like this, the next thing is our column. Is that okay? You can see that we're having a column C1. So I'll click on this CP. CP, yes, or CO, enter. Okay, CP, you have to be very careful at this point. CP, enter. Once I click on enter, sorry, I've copied it to this place. Now, this is my CP. The dimension, you consider the what you call it, the dimension, the kind of reinforcement, and also is it the type that is going up. Those are the things that you need to look at when it comes to your what, your column naming. Is that okay? You need to consider those things. So now let's now see column 1. This one, let me go back to my AutoCAD. Is that okay? Let me go back to my AutoCAD. This one, okay, let me click on this. Okay, you can see the position. Is that okay? You can see it's column C1. You can see the same position. This one 4y16. Is that okay? 4y16. Okay, 4y16. And there's another one. Let's see. 4y16. Are they all 4y16? 4y16, 4y16. Okay, you can see 4y16. 4y16. They are all 4y16. Okay, 4y16. Okay, now 4y16, that's what we are having. Is that okay? So we can now see all of them are what? 4y16. Is that okay? Which is what? Which is a column C1. We can name them as C1. So, but both of them are 4y16. But there's another thing we need to consider. Are they going to the roof? Is that okay? Are they going up to the roof? Because we have to look at this drawing. So as you can see, like this one here, Okay, how is the structure? Okay, it's like this. The structure is like this. Yes, the structure is like this. Okay, you can see that this structure here is not going up. This particular column is not going up here. You can see it's not going up. Then this one too is not going up. Is that okay? This one and this one is not going up. So this is now. This one is not going up. It's not going up. It's not going up. Is that okay? Which other one again? I think that is all. Okay, this one too is not going up. So now we have this one. We have one. Sorry, from the front one. Then come to this side 1, 2, 3. They are not going up. Is that okay? They are not going up, even though they are having the same reinforcement all through, but this one and this one, they are not going up. Is that okay? They are not going up. Since they are not going up, I will not go back. Don't forget this. They are not going up. Is that okay? So that is. So as you can see it here. So we can see that the one that we're not going up is this one, and this one, and this one. Is that okay? And this one. So since that's the case, as my C1, I'm going to make it at a C1. Is that okay? I will leave the rest, make it C1. Is that okay? These just are going up. So I'll copy the CP. Enter. I'll copy it from here, or anywhere from here. Okay, since this one is here, I can decide to put this one here. Is that okay? This is just to show you sample. You can do your own way of arrangement. Okay, and this one also, this one also. Which one is okay? This ones are not going up. Okay, and then this one also. Let me bring close. This one also, and also this one. Okay, these ones are going up. Okay, they are all going up. Okay, which one again? Okay, that is that. So, but this one that are not going up, understand? This one that are not going up, I can now name it as my C2. Is that okay? I can name this one as what? C2. Let me double click. Okay, C2. Sorry, my system is slow. Sorry. C2. I can name it as what? C2. C2. Then click on it. Then copy this one. CP. Enter. I'll copy from here and also put it here. Is that okay? Put it here and also put it here, and finally on this one. Okay, these ones are not what going up. Is that clear? So that is that. So once I've done this one, once I'm done with this one, the next thing I'm going to do now is what? Let's look at this as our sample. Let's look at this. Okay, I can now decide to do what? Pick this. Is that okay? Based on the architectural drawing. So my own is the same thing, 450 CP. Some architect might make it a what do you call it? Since it's a residential, is that okay? Most of the time is what is a 450. Though what around this depends on the area. Is that okay? So the location. So I'll now put just in some places put here, and also let me just put here. Okay, let me just put it here. Any other place again that I feel like okay. Let me just finally let me just put it here. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, yes, I can put. Then select it. No, select this. Let me see how it go. Select it good. Then as scale, enter this one 0. This enter. Okay. All right. So can you see now? That's okay. Now once I'm done with that, you can see that I'm getting what I'm having here. It's already here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I need my dimensions. Is that okay? I'll pick my dimensions. Okay. Okay. Take this. Take my dimension. Okay. My system is becoming slow. Okay. Let me pick from here. And also from this point here. What's wrong? Sorry. Okay, yes, good. And also to this point. Okay. Alright, okay. Since I'm having this, but looking at this is too close, I will select this. Is that okay? So this is how to go about it. Select this one. Once I've selected this one, I will click on what M move. I want to take it up. Is that okay? Make sure my on snap okay. Go up, direct. Is that okay? This one is okay. I can do an adjustment later. So I now select all of this. Select this one again. Then EX, which was extend. Enter. I'll come to this place. Extend all of this. Extend all of this like this. Okay. As you can see, also this one here. And move this one also to this place, and also from here. Sorry, my mouth. Okay. Just follow it to the end. You can see. Click on this one. All right. So I haven't done this one now. I'll continue with my with my dimension. That's a DIM enter. DIM enter. I'll also pick from here. From this point here. I need it for this one here. Is that okay? For this one here. Okay. Let me see the line. Okay. All right. So I'll come to this place. Put it here. Then come to this place. Rotation and continue. Okay, then click on this, and then the next one is on this, and then the next one followed by this, and also followed by this one, also followed by this, and also this one is not part of it. It's not part of it. I'll just put it for the other for the beam. Is that okay? That is that. Okay. All right, so then I will now click on this, pick this. Is that okay? This sample is that okay, and match the property. Is that okay? Come to this place. Click match the property and come to this place and match this one. Is that okay? Match them. Match this. Match this. Match this. Match this. Match this, and that's fine. Is that okay? So I come to this place again. I come to this place. Pick this one here. From this point, okay, to the next one here. To the next one here. I'll put it here. Okay, then I also need the total from here to this place, the total from here to this place. Okay, from here, okay, I take it to this place. Okay, all right, match this property, correct, that's fine. So I now come to this place, continue this one. Okay, from this point, okay, let me pick from here. All right, let me continue from this point to this point. I'll put it here, then also go further to just continue once and for all. Is that okay? And then click on this one, go to the next one, which is here. Next one. After this point, I have this one, and finally, I have this one here. Okay, I think that is all. Then I'll now come to this place, click on this, come home, and then do what? Match property. Come this one, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this, and this. That's fine. So I need my final dimension, total dimension on this side. Click from here. I take it down to this place here, and I take it above it a little, then click on this and also do what? Match the property and click on this. That's fine. So as you can see it, can you see it now? So that's what we are having. So if this one is too much for you, so you can reduce it, but for me, I can leave it. Is that okay? The same way I did this one, you have your time, you can do that one. Is that okay? So looking at this, what is the next thing now? Looking at this, for this particular one, what's the next thing? Is that okay? What is the next thing? We need this. Is that okay? We need this to tell us. Is that okay? This section. So all I will now do, let me remove this one now. Let me remove this. Okay, I will now pick this one, select this. From here I will select it. Very, very important. Select this one. Can you see it now? CP, enter. From this point I'm going to put it here, F8. Come to this place. Okay, let me put it here. Sorry, I need to readjust. Let me move this one away. Let me move this one. Enter. Let me put it here. So very, very interesting. If not because of the teaching, then I will have moved further than this. I have to take my time to be explaining this. I'll just put it somewhere here, very close. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay here. So the next thing I'll do, I'll copy this, this one like this. Okay, everything CP, enter. Now I'll copy it from here. Let me just copy first. As you can see, I'll put it somewhere here. Let me put it somewhere here. It's too close. Okay, all right. So now we can see that we have XX. Is okay, SS here. So all I'll do is I will just, okay, let me do something here. Let me do something here. Okay, let me do something here. Okay, it's better I explain very well for you so that enter. Let me take this one up a little. Good, fine. So then I will now click on this one, select this one. As I've selected, then you now press what? Scale. That's SK, scale, enter. Now come to this edge here. You can see this particular edge here. Come to this edge here, then 0.8. Let me see. Okay, you can see 0.8. We still have more. So let me see. Okay, then scale SC. Then come to this edge. Then 0.65. Let me see. It's not too much. Okay, it's too much. Undo. Okay. So that is that. Come to this place until you have gotten the what you are looking for. Scale, enter. Come to this place. Then 0. Let me say 7. Let me see. It's still giving us undo. Okay, let me take it back. Is that okay? Let me take it back to scale, enter. Come to this place and make it 1. Enter. Okay, then I can now go back. Then scale, enter. Come to this edge 0.8. Okay, and let me see if I adjust, will it be okay? Did we do this one? No, it's not be okay. It's not be okay. Is that okay? So I'll press scale again, enter. 1.2 or 3, enter. So it's bigger. Oh, sorry. Okay, scale, enter. Come to this place, 1.3, enter. Okay, it's bigger. So now bring it back again. Scale, enter. So it's better I face it like this for you to understand. It's okay. 0.78, enter. Good. Okay, let me see if I can do any adjustment here. If this one come here, then enter. Let me see if this one come like this. No, I still need more. Let me undo it back. Undo. Let me see. Just as it was. Let me do it back as it was. Okay, yes, it's like this. So I now do it again. Since I know the value, then scale, enter, come here, click, then 0.88. Let me see. Oh, that's more. Undo. So you can use undo command to continue. Scale, enter. That is small. 0.77. Enter. Okay, it's now okay. So better this way. Okay, just to have a good result. Then 0.67. Okay, 0.67 is too small. It's too close. Then scale, enter. 0. That was 67, right? 69. Enter. Okay, I think it's better this way. Perfect. So can you see it now? Perfect work. So I'll click on this. Now select it, then move it. Enter. Then come shift a little. Perfect. Good. So can you see it now? So we are done with this. Can you see now? We are done with this now. So this is now. So we are done with this. See, this one now is ready. Then now cross check. Is there any adjustment from you? But for me, there's no adjustment because we look at that structure. The same thing I used. Is that okay? Now I'll now look at it. Any adjustment? No adjustment. If there's no any adjustment, if you want to make any adjustment, you can see it's very easy to adjust. Double click. Is that okay? You can see you can make your adjustment. Then escape. Then come to this place, section and the rest. You see the same section is what I'm having. Is that okay? The same thing what I'm having. You can see section what? Section BB. Is that okay? That means I need to cut my section. So I'll now come to this place where I have section here. So do you see it now? I'll pick this place. I'll pick this. Pick this one also. Okay, this one. Okay, let me see. Copy like this. Okay, then CP. Enter. So this way that was cut. Okay, let me copy this one here. I go to my place also. Look for a place and also put it somewhere here. If I want, okay, I can put it here. Good and fine. Is that okay? So that is that. Another thing again. So that is that. So the next thing I will now label it. Is that okay? Since it's the same thing. Is that okay? I have to change what? The name of the client. So can you see? You can do that one later. Then anything you want to change here, you can change. You can see everything here. And also if it's 001, you can see if you scale, you scale. If it's this one, so you can see. Let me change this one. Designed by. Understand? So I can now click on this one. Change the name to what? That engineer what? Engineer John. Okay. Engineer John. Is that okay? Engineer John. Can you see it now? Then checked by who? The same thing you can edit. Is that okay? Very easy to edit. All you need to do is just to remove this. Is that okay? Always remove this. Is that okay? Don't put it as part of your drawing. And this place too, you can edit it. Is that okay? You can edit it. If you want it, you remove it. And if you don't want, understand. If you don't want, then you can see this one also. You can try to remove this one depending on you. If that's what you have, I can now click on this one just to a different way. Extend, enter. So I can see this one. Okay. Let me say extend, enter. Click on this. I can extend this. Is that okay? Can you see it now? So that is that. Depending on how you want it, you can make adjustments to this particular environment. Is that okay? So that is that. So this one now, looking at this one is ready. Is that okay? Since this one is ready, the next thing is to do what? To begin to adjust this one based on my sample. So since this one is ready, I can just quickly remove this one, remove it, and go to the next one. Where's the next one? Okay, this one. Is that okay? This one, then CP, enter, move it. Is that okay? Let me go there. Okay, I'll pick the sample. I'll also put it here. Is that okay? So since I've already put this one here, I'm done with this. So I'll pick this first one. Is that okay? Pick this one. Then that's move, enter. Is that okay? Come to this place. Okay, look at the sample here. Look at the sample I have here. You can see it here. Depending, looking at this one, you can see what I have here. The same thing. So I'll now click on this one. Click on this. Sorry, select this. Okay, you can match the property. Okay, let me come here. Come to this. Can you see it now? Done. So I don't have this other side. I'll just do what? Remove this. Is that okay? Remove this. Please, what I'm going to do here, is that okay? What I'm going to do here is what I'm going to do to all. Is that okay? Is what I'm going to do to all of this. Is that okay? Is that what I'm going to do? So once I've done one, I'll pause the video, because what I'm going to do, as you are seeing here now, what I'm going to do on this one is what I'm going to repeat on the rest. Is that okay? So please watch this particular one very well. Then I'll pause it and then bring it back. Once I've arranged them, then you can now see how we can adjust this one. Is that okay? So that is that. So now let's see this one. Looking at this sample here, look at what we are having. I'll just come to this side. Automatically, I've removed this side. Then what about this side? This one is not part of it. Okay, sorry. Before I remove this other side, let me undo. Okay, I'll remove this one first. Remove this. remove this one, click on this one, also select this one here. Is that okay? Select this one. Okay, then enter, take it up. Is that okay? I'll take it up. I have reason for that. Take it up. Then I'll now put this one, click on this particular one, CP, enter. I'll take it up from here, direct. Is that okay? Let me make straight. Okay, I'll come to this place. It's for this. Is that okay? It's for this. Sorry, it's for this one. Okay, it's for this. It's for this somewhere here, and also click on this one. I'll arrange it later. Then this enter. This one is move. Is that okay? I'll come to this place and put it on this particular one here. Good and fine. So okay, let me plug my system. Is that okay? Let me plug it. So you can see now I've plugged my system now. Let's continue. So you can see what I'm having here. Oh, sorry. Oh, this charger is started. Okay, so you can see here it's okay for now. You can make adjustment anywhere you want to make here. So that is that. So I'll click on this one, this particular one. At this point now, I can now say yes, I don't need it. Is that okay? I'll select this one. I'll select this one here. I'll select this. Select this one. Sorry, as I plug the charger, it's having issue. Okay, delete this one. Okay, once I've clicked on this, I've deleted that one. Okay, so once that one is done, is done, I'll just select this one. I have to explode this. Is that okay? I have to explode this one. Is that okay? Because if not, it will not work. I will not be able to match the property. So click on this one. Is that okay? Then explode. That's EXPLO. Then automatically explode. Enter. They have been exploded. So I'll now come to this sample here. Is that okay? I'll go to this sample here and pick this. And pick this one here. So you can see. Okay, click on this one. Then let's go and match the properties. Okay, let's go and match the properties and let's see how it's going to come out. Okay, so can you see it now? So can you see this system is becoming slow? Okay, just follow me. Is that okay? I'll just make it all the same. Click on this like this. Perfect. So now if I should carry it and do this one, it will turn this particular dimension to this pattern. Is that okay? So I will just escape it and go to that place again and choose this one and choose any of this one. Is that okay? Then match the property. Is that okay? Click on match property. Is that okay? Come back to this place and also do the same thing here. Is that okay? I also do the same thing here. Let's come. Okay, match this property. Click. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can see everything is done. So then I can now remove this one. I can remove this one, remove this. Is that okay? So I come to this place also. Come to this place. What are we having here? Okay, the thickness here. So I'll click on this one. Let me explode first. Is that okay? Let me explode this. Let me explode this one and also this one here. Explode. Let me explode this. Explode. Is that okay? Enter. Exploded. So click on this one to match the property. Is that okay? So I click on this one. Sorry, the system is okay. I use 100. Okay, I use 100. What's wrong? Okay, then this one also escape. Then pick this pattern here. Select this. Come here. Sorry. Select this. Come to match property. And select the whole of this. Okay, select this. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. What's happening? Okay, sorry. Okay, so it has been done. So the next thing I will now do is to move this. Is that okay? Move this dimension. What's wrong with this thing now? To move this dimension from here. Then enter. Is that okay? Enter. I move it down this way. Let me say F8. It's supposed to be here, so I'll put it here. Okay, so that is that. So now I haven't done this one now. So we now count. How many of F1 do we have? How many F1 do we have? We have 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Let's confirm it again. This is 1 here. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 3. 3. This is 4. Okay, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So I'll go back there and put this what? And put this one as what? As 4. I'll copy this. I'll copy this. Copy this. The system. Copy this. Okay. That's a CP. CP. Enter. CP. Enter. Let me just finish this one here. CP. Enter. Enter. Okay. Then this is my what? Base 1. Is that okay? Which is F1. Is that okay? F1. And I come to this place. I just see how many do we have? We say it's what? It's 3. Am I correct? I think it's 3. Let's go and count to be sure. This is a 1. 2. Alright. 3. 4. Okay, we have 4. So it's not be what? How many of them? We have what? 4. 4 NOS. Is that okay? 4. I'll put 4 NOS. Is that okay? S. Is that okay? Okay, 4 NOS. Then close. Is that okay? So I'll now delete this one. I can now delete this one. Okay, so as you can see it now. So the next thing is, if you look at this, I have to call it out. I have to call this one out, just as this one is. Just as this one is here, I have to call it out. Take this sample here. Take this sample here. Take my sample here. Let me click on this one. I also need this one here. Okay, very interesting. So, okay. Alright, I'll press what? CP. CP. Enter. Is that okay? Enter. Come to this point here. Let me pick this. Come to this place and come to this place and paste it. Is that okay? And paste it here. Okay. Then that's for this one. Then carry this one. Move this one up. Is that okay? Take this one here. Then CP. No, sorry. M. That's M to move it. I'm taking it up a little. Is that okay? I'm taking it up a little. Maybe somewhere here. F8 to make it straight. Okay. Then I'll click on this one. Then extend. EX. Enter. Then click on this to take to that side. Okay. So now, but don't forget why I did not delete this one that time. So I want to show you now. So you can see we have what? 5y16, 5y16 at 2250. Is that okay? 5y16 at 2250. So this one is 5y16. Since it's square, it's going to be the same thing. Is that okay? Double click on it. Double click on it. I will now change this one to what? To 5. Then this one to what? To 16. And this one to what? 250. 250. Is that okay? Then the same thing here. Is that okay? The same thing here. So I'll just delete this one. I'll just delete this one. This one CP. Okay. Move this one. Then I'll bring it up here. Is that okay? So you can see we are done with this. So I can now remove this one here. Is that okay? So this system that is becoming slow. That's why it looks as if it's taking time. Okay. Alright, so the same thing I've done here now, as you can see here, is what I'm going to do on the rest, on these other ones. Is that okay? On these other ones. So therefore I'm going to pause this video and see. Is that okay? Okay, so you can now see now that everything has been properly arranged. Understand? So based on this, we can see everything we have here, the same thing we have up to F5. So you can see that is that. So therefore, let me now copy this. Let me now copy this one. Let me copy this from here. Okay, and also from here. Also from here. Then CP. Enter. Copy. I'll come to this place. I'll just put it somewhere here. Let me say somewhere here. Okay. Alright, it's not too close. Somehow close. Somehow close. Let me move it. Let me move it. Enter. Let me move it to this side. This side a little. Okay. Alright. So I can now copy. I can now do this. Scale it up. Then scale. Enter. Come to this side and click, and then 1. Let me say 7. Enter. Let's see. Okay, 1.7 is okay. Okay. Let me copy this. Let's go like this. Okay, enter. Let me now move it and adjust. Let me adjust it. Let's adjust. Let us adjust. Let's adjust it. Okay, you have to be on this other side because of this. Okay, let's see. Is it okay? Let me go up a little. Okay. Alright. Okay, fine. That's okay. So you can now see that we have it here. Okay, it's okay. This side is okay, this side is okay, this side is okay, it's also okay. Now, what you need to do now is to now change the name, is that okay, and the number, or if you like, you can just leave it. Once you finish, you can now do that one. So I'll now click on this one, the entire drawing, enter, and now place it properly close to this. And since I'm done with the two, I also move this one out to that enter, then bring it closer to this one. Okay, bring it close. Okay, that's that. Then this one now I can now delete this one. Okay, so you can now see now I have done this one. So this is where we are going to stop. Is that okay? In case you have not subscribed to Ekidel, I want to say click on the subscribe button. At the same time, try to like this video. Very, very important. Please and please try to like this video. So we are going to go to the next part, which is part 2. Is that okay? Which is the part 2 of this video. And that part 2, what are we going to be doing? Let's see what are we going to be doing in this part 2. So let's see. We are going to be arranging what column. Is that okay? We are going to be doing that of the column and also the beam arrangement in the part 2. Is that okay? So that is what we are going to be doing in part 2 of this video. Please, as I said, try to like this video at the same time to also subscribe in case you have not subscribed to Ekidel channel. Thank you till I see you in our next part of this video, which is the part 2 of how to detail your drawing after Protastructure, after you have exported it to AutoCAD. Is that okay? So that is that. So it's very, very important. Follow this video to the end, but I bet you by the time you finish, you follow this video to the end, you are now good to go when it comes to detailing of your drawing. Is that okay? So that is that. Up to how to even print it out, how to turn them to PDF file, how to turn your drawing to PDF file. All we are going to be doing in this video from beginning to the end. Is that okay? That's why I said follow this video to the end and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you till I see you next time. Bye.